Honestly, Mr. no, we are going for the meeting. Okay.
To help in the investigations and to answer questions at large, but they are being pursued by the security forces. In order to avoid disrupting the investigations, I think it's in order that I don't disclose their names or their identities for both those who are in custody, but also those who are being pursued to help the investigations. There are another part of the question was, there are families that lost more than one person. The instruction from His Excellency the President is to give to each person who died, the relatives of that person, 5 million Uganda shillings. Obviously, if a family lost 2 people, that's double weight, double tragedy. And for anyone who an average intelligence and above, it obviously means that that family will be also offered 10 million shillings, for instance. Of course, you cannot buy life, you cannot compare life with anything, not even gold. But for compassion, His Excellency the President feels that it's important to support the bereaved families with that 5 million Uganda shillings.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.